Welcome to AVCLabs channel. How to enhance the wedding photos to remove the noise and improve photo quality. AI can help us do it without any photo skills. Run AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI program. If it is the first time to use it, you can take references of samples. Drag the photo to be enhanced to the program. The photos are imported successfully. This Photo Enhancer AI provides many AI models. Choose Denoise. Click the preview button to view the result. You can drag the slider to compare. Then let's choose the other photo. Choose the AI model as Upscale and select 100% to 400% to Upscale. Click the preview button to compare the result. Click the Save All button to save all enhanced wedding photos. Open the directory to view all the photos. All of them have been removed, the noise and the quality improved. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to view more useful videos.